Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Great price for this 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage Spring Hill home that is ready for you to move right in and make it your own. Features formal living and dining room plus family room, breakfast nook area and screened lanai area, plus an inside laundry room with washer and dryer included. And there is room in the backyard to add a pool. Buyers may want to consider a renovation-type loan. This could be a great income investment as a full-time rental or even as an Airbnb potential with no Homeowners Association fees or deed restrictions and with great tourist attractions, all nearby like Buccaneer Bay and Weeki Wachee Spring, home of the Mermaids with river access for kayaking and tubing. Also within miles of Pine Island Beach and Hernando Beach with its famous tarpon fishing. Quick commute to Central Florida theme parks and #1 voted Clearwater Beach and Tampa International Airport. And don't forget to mention that the area has miles of bike trails, horseback riding and motocross, plus close to the Veterans Expressway for quick commute to Tampabay area and lots of golfing options nearby, plus also closeby to US 19 and SR 50 shopping, restaurants and medical.